Hi Capricorns, this is your August 2020 career reading. I will take up the main energies in the beginning and talk about it because that is your present situation. So don't get if I say something bad, don't switch off the reading because what's coming to you in the month of August, because there are so many days, what is coming to you I'll discuss later. So let's start with the reading with the present position, the past position and the future position. What's going to happen in your career, how is the money situation looking, what is the angel's advice and what is the outcome. So let's discuss your career situation in detail. The first energy which I see, which is currently you are feeling, that is the ace of wands reversed. Like clarification is also ace of wands reverse. So this is what I see in your career situation right now. Ace of wands reversed means that a situation has arisen which is causing loss, which is causing trouble, an opportunity which did not work out, a failure has happened. So this is what you see right now. This is your current situation. You are feeling sad about it. It is your crowning energy, sadness and pain. You are feeling this sadness and pain because something has not worked out for you, which is causing you lot of heartache. So where are you coming from? You are coming out from a situation wherein you, in the past, recent past or the distant past, there is a situation where struggle happened. There was a problem which was not sorted out. So it's a problem which happened long years back, but that problem has resurfaced because it's coming in your situation. That problem has resurfaced. It had to do with your adventurous spirit. You took some step without thinking much and took a risk. You took a risk, and what happened was there was a fallout with a partner or struggle with a person or something which was unfinished. That business has now, that thing is affecting your career in the current position. So this is what is happening. There is a problem which is carrying on and it is affecting your present position as well. Or this could be a problem because of the lockdown, because of the pandemic, because of the situation in the economy, that you have made losses. The investment which you had done is not working. Someone who has applied for a job is not happening right now. But what I see in future, the future position is showing that King of Pentacles and the world, total change in the situation will happen. There will be a total change in the situation. You will get the confidence back. You will get out of this situation of the problem which you are in, the situation of loss you are in, the anxiety you are in. You will come out of that situation in the month of August with your own energy. This is Capricornian energy. This is the energy of the earth sign, the earth king, the king of the earthly plane. You will embody this spirit. This is your card. So you will take control of the situation. This is a person who walks the land with material gains, has lot of financial backing, is always successful in business. So this person is your embodiment, male or female. You are going to take control of your job situation, your business situation, your studies, some of you. So whatever is your career, you will take control of your situation and you will be the balanced person who will drive through this problem, leave it behind and get into a situation of success. This person is successful. This is you, Capricorn, because you know how to work hard. You are a hard worker. You are analytical. You are logical. You are a hard worker on this earthly plane. Capricorn, this will give you result. Your result will be in your hand. You will get the ace of pentacle in your hand because ace of pentacle is coming in the outcome. So I will tell about that as well. So you are going to have your ace of pentacle. Ace of pentacle means a divine gift of material success. You are going to be successful definitely, because King of Pentacles shows that all financial insecurity will go away. With the World card, the situation is ending. The situation, the mess you were in is going to end. The problems you are facing in your financial and life, in your money, in your career will be over. You will be in an international circle, most of you. You will expand your business. You will be taking up journeys. You will be taking up contracts from the other countries. If you are a local of some country, you will get options from other countries. So you are going to take up a journey. You are going to take up a journey for progress, development and accomplishment. You will be accomplished in your career in this month. In this month of August, you will see all the indications, Capricorn. Now you are going to, take control of the situation, hold the bull by the horns. So this is what is going to happen for you, Capris. And I am feeling so happy because my own brother is a Capricorn, so I feel very happy that the struggle situation is going to end for him, and the struggle situation for you, brothers and sisters, is going to end. So I am seeing a beautiful situation in your career which is going to come to you, and you are seeing this situation with lot of hope. There is hope. The star card is here. Your mentor, guide, or your own self will guide you through this process, the ups and downs of life, the karma which we have to pay. This will get over, and all the debts will be paid by you. So Capricorn, I see beautiful things happening for you. So now, what's the angel's advice? The angel's advice is, get out of this sticky situation, get out of this mental block, get out of this depressive energy of 8 of swords, because this is going to end. This problem is going to end. Take the blindfold off. You don't have to be anxious, you don't have to be depressed, because this situation is ending. And how this situation is going to go towards Chariot. Chariot means you will be focused, you will be taking the reins of the situation and going ahead full throttle, and the divine will help you in this. Divine will help you in getting out of this mess, because the devil card is reversed. Devil card means, problems, struggles, toxicity, and any kind of betrayal, any kind of negativity, any kind of slothful behavior. You will get out of it. You will, because the devil is reversed. Devil is your card, Caprice. Sometimes when devil is reversed, this means you will now behave with more logic. You will behave with ground realities, because devil is negated and king of pentacles energy is coming. So you will be negating devil, you will be negating negative thinking, and negative thinking will go away, and the chariot will happen. Fast movement will happen in your business and career. What's the outcome? Outcome is logical thinking, going towards the path of progress with the truth in your hand, with the revelation of truth. Any problems, any secrecy, any kind of unknown people, unknown things will be cut out by you. You will be marching ahead, going ahead on the path of success, and this pentacle will be realized by you in the month of August. So the pentacle will come in the hand of king of pentacle. This one pentacle from the divine will be caught by you, and this will be your opportunity which you will give fruition to. So this is what I see for the Caprice. Money wise, Queen of Pentacles, meaning balance in the money situation will come. There will be no problem in monetary situation. No need to get anxious. Things will work out for you. People who are looking for new opportunity, people who don't have a job, there will be some past problem which will come and recur and give you some trouble. But I tell you, this energy of Ace of Pentacles is coming to you. The struggle will be on, but the struggle will be taken control of by you. You will get a victory over the odds. So people who don't have a job, they will also get into a situation wherein they have an opportunity in hand. So this is what I see for you, Caprice. I wish you all the best for the month of August, and I am very very optimistic about your future and future in your career. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you have liked and resonated with this reading. Thank you very much. Bye.